Let me introduce my camper. I traveled across the Balkans and around the Baltic with it. When I bought it, it was 10 years old. It was a work van, a maintenance vehicle. You could still see it, even from the beacon I kept. I added a side window and started the build. First, insulation, 2 centimeters. Then, wooden panels. I built all the furniture myself. On the right, a drawer, food and cooking gear. Below, a fridge, 20 liters. In the middle, more drawers. Top, a stove. Below, cutlery. Then, pots and glasses. At the bottom, small items. On the left, a sink. I rarely use it. Water is in canisters. 1 clean, 1 waste. A thermometer, inside and outside. Above it, a shelf, original, covered with fabric. Very practical, holds a lot. And here, a dream catcher, for better sleep. When I stay longer, I get some comfort. A pull-out table, a rotating seat, a small living space. Power comes from the roof, solar panel. Controller and inverter, 220 volts, up to 1 kilowatt. Mostly for my laptop. 12-volt outlets, phone, watch, external input. Charging the battery under the seat. Diesel heater. Controls here. Storage cabinets. Bedding on top. Clothes on the left. Drawers. Travel essentials. A fan. In and out. Great in summer. Lights. Evening atmosphere. Queen-size bed, 2 meters. Storage underneath, food and gear. The cabin, more sockets. Android radio, even movies. Rear camera display. And finally, my travel buddy. A bit faded now, but still with me. Thank you for watching. This was my camper. Subscribe.